In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money online. This video is unlike anything you've ever seen before on YouTube. There's no other creator that's both going to lay it out simply for you, the easiest way to make money online, and tell you exactly how to get started today. Like right after this video, you can take action, start posting, and start making money immediately after this video. So stick around for the whole thing. The YouTube overlords require that you watch the video all the way and you like this video and you comment and you subscribe so that this video can be pushed out to more and more people. So I'd appreciate it if you do that. I'm going to drop some major value on you right now. I'm going to give you all the sauce. Here we go. First and foremost, the easiest way to make money online is promoting the right offer with the right traffic source. So whenever you're posting content, you can use short form or long form content. And then with your offer, you can do an online offer or offline. I highly recommend an online offer with short form content to start. It's the easiest way. Okay. So every single creator that you look up to, that you see making money, which they're out there and you know they're out there, every single one of them is posting content. Now, you don't necessarily need to show your face, although that does improve the trust and your conversion rate will be higher. So you post short form content on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and you promote the right offer, preferably one with reoccurring income. Okay. That way you make income in the months after this one for the efforts that you made today. Okay. So here's exactly what to do. What you want to do is sign up for an affiliate program. Okay. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply promoting someone else's product or someone else's subscription or group or whatever. So what I highly suggest you do is you promote someone's group. So groups are big online now. And it used to be that there are many different traffic sources and it was really hard to actually gain an audience. When I first started, you have to post on forums and blogs and try to rank in Google search. That's completely gone now. And instead, the short form platforms are taking over. When people are online now, the short form platforms are where they go. So they go to TikTok, they go to Instagram and YouTube. So that's exactly where you have to be. And then you're going to take that traffic, take them off of those platforms and onto the offer that you're promoting. Okay. Through your affiliate link. And then when someone clicks through your link and buys, then you earn a commission. Okay. So that's how it works. It's very simple, but also very effective. So a lot of people are going to hear that and be like, oh no, that's too simple, to make real money or big money. It's not. You know, the more traffic you push to the right offer, the more money you make. And we all know with short form content, all it takes is one video. We can go mega viral and refer many people just in one video. And I'm going to talk about how to do that here in a second. But what I want you to imagine is one viral video could potentially refer, let's say 40 people, and you're promoting an offer like my school group, Project Profit, which gives 50% recurring commissions for every member that you refer. So it's $50 to join. That means you're going to earn $25 every time you refer a member every single month. $25 a month. So if you refer 40 people, that's one viral video, then you're already making $1,000 a month in one video. I want you to imagine what $1,000 a month would look like. You know, completely passive because you already posted the video. If you, in any future videos, you're just potentially making even more. Okay. That is a car payment that could help towards rent. You're certainly not buying a house if you're my age or younger. So forget about that. Unless you make enough money here. Okay. If you're actually good at short form content, then you can make a lot of money. You can buy yourself a house. But that's what my group is for. I teach you how to do short form content because for years I posted content and I thought I knew what I was doing. I thought I was giving valuable information. But it wasn't until I took the time to actually analyze the top performing content in the niche. So the make money online affiliate marketing niche. What I noticed is that there's a framework that the best performing videos have or followed or used. And once you kind of recognize what that framework is and recognize what they're doing, it becomes very easy. And that's what I teach inside the group. I teach you how to go viral, how to make sure you've optimized your account, because that's a huge part of it, especially on Instagram, where every account that you make has a trust score. And based on that trust score, your content can be throttled. So what you'll notice is it's not just about the content. It's about the account that's posting that content. That's why a bigger page that's more trusted will get larger distribution to start. So that's kind of how it works, is that initial distribution audience is bigger, so it has a better chance at success. Whereas an untrusted account is going to get a very small audience, and you're kind of hoping that that small audience reacts well to your content, which is watch time, saves, and shares. Okay, so you're optimizing for that specifically, and that's exactly what I teach you. That is the viral video framework. And then, like I said, how to maximize the trust of your account so you get a bigger initial push. Those two things combined with promoting the right offer is how you actually make income and like maximize the income. And that's what this video is about. So, like I said, just posting a viral video isn't enough necessarily, because you actually have to take that traffic and move it off the platform into your affiliate link. And then once people click through your link and buy, that's when you earn the commission. So within the group, I also teach you how to automate sending your link, which is huge. Okay. So basically what you can do is put a call to action in your caption or in the video and say, comment ready, and I'll send you the program or whatever you want to say. And then you set up an automation which automatically responds to those comments and DMs them your affiliate link. You can also set up a automation where you can send them the link to anyone that follows you. Okay. So once you have those automations in place, it really does become passive, and all you're doing is posting. And it might take 30 minutes a day to film all the content, very short videos. And it doesn't have to be high effort. And that's one of the biggest things I noticed. If these videos that did the best had the best production value with the most edits and the most charisma, that's exactly what I would be telling you to do. But it's not, man. It's super simple, super easy. And I teach that inside the group. And once you understand what to do, it becomes very simple, and you just execute that plan over and over again, 3 times a day. And over time, your views compound. So let's say I post it every day for 90 days. If I post a banger video today, the algorithm will continue to push all of the content that I posted before that, because it's recognizing like, okay, this creator posts good stuff. I'm gonna push their content more. Okay. And you build this compounding effect. So the more you post over time, the more traffic you're going to get. And it takes a little bit of time to build up. And most people quit before they ever reach that compounding effect, or they think they should be going viral right away, and they never stick with it long enough to see it work. And you just can't expect, even though some people do go viral right away, you can't necessarily expect that. There is a element of luck involved, because every big creator that you see, typically what you'll see is that a lot of their videos, are kind of normal. They're kind of views. And then they have a couple of videos that are just super viral, over 1 million, 10 million views. And that's just how it works. You got to keep posting enough to where you get that viral content. Okay. This video is long enough. Check out the link in the description to my school group. Check it out if you want to learn short form content. And if you want to immediately get access to the affiliate program, all you have to do is join. You're going to get your affiliate link, and you're going to promote that link through short form content. It's very simple, and is the best affiliate program in the world. There's no other affiliate program where you're going to earn monthly reoccurring income in this manner. There's softwares out there where they have reoccurring programs, but it's a very niche audience. For this, you're promoting to anyone who wants to make money through short form content, which is a ton of people, and really the best money making opportunity that you're going to find. And you came across this YouTube video for a reason, man. I'm so glad that you're here, and I'm so glad to bring you this info and be able to present you with this opportunity to make money for yourself and your family and set you up for the future. So check the link in the description below, and don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, so that YouTube can push my video to more and more people. Peace.